This one to me seems
Yeah. That would be really good.
no. Those won't be. Good. Okay, this one from me. Alright, this one. No, I'll take the.
It's the profile.
That's what you call it.
They give it, it's fine, I understand. Okay. Well, yeah.
I'm just this and I look at it. I'm more
Just gets more beautiful as it goes.
I'll be honest, it can, because nothing is eternal, so to say. But even though
This is the oblique broad now.
it's not. On the desk. On the desk.
Oblique double broad.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
And this is the triple. Oblique triple broad. Oh, this has got to be. See the difference. So,
Well, I mean, that is.
The only issue is
thank you very much. So, apply the oblique triple broad now. As we saw, we write it. And interestingly enough, if you come here, so this is the repair that they've done. Yeah. So yeah, this is the repair they've done. As you saw in the previous video, there's a crack. But amazing job. Looks pretty much brand new. But yeah, these are both of them.